Hey, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm going to talk about a comparison between Facebook advertisement and Google advertisement. Fasten your seat belts because this is going to be exciting. The reason why I say so is because I have spent a lot of time in explaining Facebook Business Manager, how to advertise on Facebook, the best way of advertising on Facebook to get maximum ROI, return on investment. But in this video, I'm going to advocate the importance of using Google Ads over Facebook ads. Don't be judgmental. I've got my reasons to back up my comment. The first being, when you talk about Google advertisement, you are actually looking for the customers who are looking to buy your product and service. So if someone is looking to buy, let's say, this comb, the weirdest of example, but that's something I could find right now on my desk. So if someone is looking for a comb, they would go to Google, they would type in, and the local search listings would pop up, and that's where they can go to a website and buy a comb. So that's need versus demand equation. In this case, it is a demand equation. People are looking to buy your product and service on Google. It's a search engine and people use it to find you because they are looking for a product and service. In contrast, when you talk about Facebook or Facebook owned companies, you are actually trying to reach out to the companies who are interested in buying your comb as a B2B product, or a customer, an individual who's looking for your comb. Not everybody would be interested in buying this comb. So you are not reaching out to the right targeted audience. And there's a good chance you'll be able to find your customer in 1 out of 100 numbers. But when you talk about Google Ads, you only show your ad to the people who are actually looking for the comb. It makes a whole lot of difference. You save your money, you reach out to the right audience, and most importantly, if you have a website where you have these three elements I described in my last video: push notification, I use onesignal.com. Second is email opt-in form, so you can capture their email addresses and then send them periodic newsletters in the future. And the third being, what is that? Yeah, you got it right. It is Facebook pixels. Even if people have come from Google to your website, I repeat, even if people have come from Google search engine onto your website, there's a good chance they have a Facebook account. And by installing Facebook pixels on your website, you can track their Facebook account that can be used as to retarget all those customers in the future when you advertise on Facebook. So directly advertisement on Facebook might just not work. But if you use Google Ads platform, if you use Google search engine initially, get all the right audience onto your website, record their information, track them, and then you use Facebook ads to retarget them. This is going to work absolutely magnificently, brilliantly. Got three words here that were unnecessary, but just to overbrag my excitement here. So use Google Ads to bring right traffic to your website, because that's a direct traffic looking for your product and service. And then once you've got people visiting your website from Google Ads, install Facebook pixels. And in the future, when you advertise on Facebook, in the targeted audience, select Facebook pixels. Your ad will be shown to all the customers or the potential customers who have visited your website using Google search engine because they were looking for your product, but they did not make a decision. Now you can help them take a decision by showing your ads and retarget them. Wonderful, right? This is why I chose the title of this playlist: Get Customers Flock Your Door Crazily to Buy Your Product. See you in the next video.